Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to draw one face from BT21. So for drawing BT21 one face, we are going to need a sketchbook, a pencil, a black color marker, a color pencil and a compass. So let's begin. So now we will draw its outline with black marker. Now we will color half of its face with black color lightly. So that's it, our BTS BT21 one face is ready. You can also cut it and use it as a sticker. I hope you liked my video. If you did, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.